Hello, Marina Village Students. Mr. Brown here, and thank you for two, not one, two good assemblies. Sixth graders, you did an amazing job listening, paying attention, and participating with the assembly. Saw a lot of laughing, a lot of smiling, and a lot of thinking faces. I love that. I love when kids be like, I really like that. So thank you for listening. Hopefully you got a great message, and hopefully you remember the message. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Can I get an oh yeah?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. 7th and 8th graders, y'all did a great job too listening. It was a really packed room, and hopefully people in the back can hear me just as well as people in the front. So thank you both all of you, 6th, 7th, 8th graders for assembly. And also thanks for, making a brother smile and making me feel like I'm a celebrity. I don't want to be a celebrity, but I appreciate that y'all were wanting my autograph, want to hang out. And most importantly, hope you heard the message that when you make better choices, you will live a better life. I think you gave me some feedback. Some of you wrote letters. Matter of fact, I don't have them with me right now, but one of you drew me a nice, beautiful picture of me and said some stuff on I got them. I will read them all. I'm currently in Minnesota, speaking of schools here, but I thought about you. I want to make this video before I forgot to say thank you for it. And again, we got some more video stories. Matter of fact, some of your students at the school sat down with me at the lunch table, and we were talking a little bit, and they interviewed them about what they learned. And I would love to know what you learned as well. I'm gonna read the feedback I got, but I don't want you to forget the message. When you make a better choice, a better life. And at the end of the day, you can't blame anybody else for the choices or things happen in your life. You know why? Because I am responsible for me. Yes, you're responsible for you. I'm responsible for me. So make the best choice you can, no matter what everybody else is doing. I love to come back, and I will come back. I'm coming back this year. We're doing a family night in partnership with Lake Forest Elementary School. I think it'll be on their campus, or it might be on your campus. I don't know. We'll let you know for sure. But why don't you come out and invite your family, invite your parents to come out. I'd love to meet them. I'll have some merch for sale. And if I got merch for sale, that means your parents can buy some merch for you. Ooh, yeah. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you. Look forward to being back on your campus. And hopefully you never, ever forget. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. So always choose well. Oh, yeah.